guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chini. It's so nice to have you here, and if it's not your first time here, hi my loves, what's up and welcome back. So I'm going to get a silk press done today. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to get my silk press done. You guys are going to know everything, the place I go to get it done, and all what's not, just like what goes down during a silk press, in case you want to get your silk press done here in Abuja, Nigeria. I stay in Abuja, Nigeria, in case you do not know, or in case you're new to the channel. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so let's get going.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. So I just got done with my silk press. This is what it looks like.
I'm actually not disappointed. I expected less, to be honest, because my hair has been really short, you know, and giving me a lot of concern. But yeah, I mean, it turned out nice. I like it, you know, the weight and all of that. It's really cute. There's a lot of things I'm required to do to keep this maintained for about 2 weeks or so, which includes do not sweat, try not to sweat, try not to, like when driving, don't let the windows be wound down, and then do not let the air conditioner touch your hair a lot, because then it's going to shrink and go back to normal. Don't let water touch your hair, don't let too much air, don't let sweat touch your hair. Always sleep with your hair packed up, and then with a scarf. If not, it's not going to last as long as it's supposed to last. And apparently this is supposed to last for about 2 weeks. I doubt it, because I know my hair. Let's not pretend. I know my hair very well. But yeah, I'm happy with this. I can use this for some time at least. The price, my account is currently crying. I mean, no pain, no gain, right? Anyway, so this has been done for now. At least I know what to expect when I go for a silk press next time. So let's see how long this is going to last. I'm going to tell you guys how long it lasted and all of that. So I've told you guys the requirements, the things I'm required to do. I don't think my door is locked. The things I'm required to do to enable this last as long as it can. But what else? Yes, I'm done. I still have a lot planned out for today, so I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, share. Okay, don't be stingy. Let your friends know where to go get a silk press done in Abuja, Nigeria. Okay, don't be stingy. Come on, share. Okay, all right, thank you guys so much. I love you all so much. Bye.